Right, hello there YouTube, welcome to another video. Today you join us on a bit of a rescue mission as we're off to Mr. Sweeney's house to work on his Mark II MX-5. I think last week Callum and Mr. Sweeney were doing a clutch flywheel replacement job and they were caught short by basically a 20+ year old car, rusty bolts and things of that kind of nature, so they weren't able to finish the job in a single day, which would have been impressive, you know, by any standard. Now I think today the plan is to head over there and basically give them a hand, because I think the car needs to be back in action by Monday. So yeah, George put a kind of like call to action in the Discord, and we all stepped forward to basically come and give him a hand. So that's where we're heading now. I'm going to go pick up Callum and then pick up Dylan, and we'll be heading up to Mr. Sweeney.
See if that hasn't got much loose. Click, click.
Cool.
Sound.
You comfortable? This is it. You don't want to have to come back here.
I don't want to have to come
We've
back
done this
here.
on Callum's.
Yeah. I think.
You happy with how they're tightened up?
I'm happy with how they're tightened up. That feeds in pretty easily.
Yeah, no, that
so
looks good.
I think it's pretty aligned.
I think we're good here.
Cool.
Right, well, you know what's next?
Yeah.
Your car max dust, and it just creates a really oily looking
Because I also think it's probably like more than one clutch's worth of.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Because like presumably whoever did it last would have just been a garage, and they wouldn't have given a shit about whether it's clean on the inside.
Yeah.
They just put the clutch on and
I
call
doubt
it a day.
this one's. I doubt it's ever had a clutch done.
How many miles?
I reckon that clutch looked too new for that. Maybe.
But it only had like.
But I guess if it had 40,000 miles, yeah, maybe.
I haven't changed it in the last
Yeah.
50k.
Maybe.
So the odds of someone.
I just want to take this bolt out because that's going to get in the way.
Yeah.
No,
No, we'll be okay for the moment. We don't need to offer up the power plant frame right away.
It's loosely in there. We're going to be catching on it.
Okay.
On the floor.
Shoot yourself.
That makes our life pushing.
Okay.
Done.
Kind of in the middle. Talk it up.
It's in. Fire up.
Yeah, drop the car down.
Drop the car down, take the handbrake off, just rock it back.
Yeah.
Be fine.
In that position, we can get the gearbox on.
Just trying to get the slave cylinder. There we go. That's kind of stable position.
Excellent.
Okay.
That gives us enough room so that we guide it on and then we can figure out later.
Yeah.
You ready, Callum?
What's our plan?
Well,
So-
I think if you get it up, I'll try and get this under in the middle where George's hand is, ish. Well, no, you keep your hand where it's comfy, and then I'll slot in where I can. Oh, actually, yeah, it needs to come back. You're way off.
Yeah, you're right.
You're way off there. What gear is it? Okay, it's a neutral, so it's not an illusion of. Right.
Yeah.
Hang on.
On the back of you.
Yeah. Sorry. Let's get that way. Okay, it's on it as such. Right then. So yeah, if you two want to lift the bell housing. Okay, I guess first attempt.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Fuck yeah, we're going.
Right.
Jack up.
Yep. Might be a bit slow,
Yeah, sorry.
but we're going there. Oh, hello.
I think we need to get flat, isn't it? Oh. Right, can you see if anything's trapped before we try and slam this on? Yeah.
you're pretty good. Starts sort of there, being annoying, but I don't think it'll stop it.
Okay.
I don't think that jack is
No, it's not tall enough.
Oh yeah, good bit of
Okay.
wood. Right, rest.
Yeah, rest.
Oh, right.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's resting on the shaft.
Yeah.
Is it working, Dylan?
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
See it moving.
Whoop. Oh, we'll come back a bit.
Oh, you might have.
Not really hard to get back on.
Do I need to do my kick trick, do you think?
We just need to, as with the BRZ, we just need to get it perfectly
Aligned.
aligned, and it'll just.
Yeah. Okay.
So we don't want to brute
Force
force
it,
it
yeah,
too
yeah.
hard.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Definitely not fighting the starter or something, are we?
No, I don't.
No, is it clear?
Well, it's hanging out the back, so I don't think it's in the way.
Okay.
Right, don't worry about this wood, George. I got it.
Alright.
So you focus on getting it aligned and
No, I think we're just popping on the,
The dowels.
not the dowels, the
The splines.
spline.
thing.
All the stuff on the turret's easy to replace once it's in the car. Oh man.
I felt it move a bit there, to be fair.
Ooh,
Oh, that just came out.
Yeah.
How close are we at the top right now, Dylan?
No, you were closer earlier.
No, but like, oh,
Oh, there you go. Now you're closer.
but how close are we now? Like,
Two fingers.
2 fingers.
So we're still further away at the top than we are at the bottom.
And how push it up to the top?
I just keep pushing. Whatever that noise that was.
I'll tell you what, Dylan, I'm thinking about it, and obviously when
Let it down.
Rest, yep.
when the gearbox is on the engine, obviously that acts like a big torque off of the mounts, right, to pitch it back.
Yes.
I think we can jack the front more.
We can probably go a little bit more. I'm not sure how much the jack's got left in it. That's all. It looks fine to me. I was just you're hitting the pins, so.
Yeah, go ahead.
Right.
Yeah, it's totally pinching the bottom of the starter bracket.
Right.
Okay.
Let me get a screwdriver in here for you. Go for it.
Oh yeah.
So close. No.
Okay, that's good.
That was making really good noises.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it didn't feel like it went any further.
Yeah,
on.
no.
It slipped back off, but it did go further on.
I mean, is it not just worth getting the bolts on, tying it up,
Just
pushing
let
it?
it pull itself on.
Yeah.
Could do.
Because I'm putting all my might into this.
It
And
was
with-
it was basically flat.
Yeah, with Callum's it
Very flat.
went kadunk.
Yeah.
You know, whereas with this it's like I'm feeling quite numb back here, as in I can't tell whether it's gone in or not.
Yeah. Okay. I'll keep spanner in the top until we're at least square.
Yeah.
There's a box.
Yeah.
And I
That
assume
one.
it comes from the back.
Yeah. Yeah, the bottom one is the one that has the nut.
And the nut on this side, I'd imagine.
I think they show the nut on the back in the Haynes manual.
You haven't got rid of your charcoal canister?
No, hasn't caused me any issues.
Yeah, no, I don't think it does. Just people just get rid of it for.
I mean, it's ugly.
Yeah.
Like, it's sin. It would be really nice to get rid of that and then have a remote oil filter mount, because who the fuck decided that that was a good location for an oil filter?
The guy that designed the car when it was supposed to be in the front wheel drive one.
Boy.
I know which the one you're trying to do. Is it this top one up on here then?
Yeah.
I can see it. Oh yeah, Christ.
You can't get it.
You can't even get a spanner in there. No.
You can just about get a spanner in the top,
Yeah.
but it's real slow progress.
Here we go.
Wunderbar.
And then
Should we look at torque specs for these?
Does TorqueSpec really adjust for a multi-link
Yeah, I think it does.
ratchet solution?
Precision,
Yeah.
somewhat. But
but you can get it
A
roughly.
it'll be close enough.
Yeah.
Do we want your 1/2 inch ratchet on the end of this first, or do we want to try and do it on with your electro ratchet?
We should have some swinging room down the end, shouldn't you?
Yeah.
So if we set the torque range to 100.
That should
probably
account.
get
It'll
about
be close
70.
enough, yeah.
Yep,
Can you see it?
I can see it. It's going to be such a bugger because that like looms in the way with this.
Oh, that's stuck now.
Sure, that's it.
I might hold these.
Thank you.
Well, I can hold 2 of them.
It's a real awkward job to match this up to the box as well.
Yeah.
I guess if you're doing more.
That doesn't feel good. Hasn't got to torque yet.
It's spinning though.
Yeah.
It's not like you're rounding it off.
No.
Remember, you've only done it up with that, which can't get them very torqued at all.
True. There we go.
There you go.
That's why I was like, when that pulled the gearbox on, I was like, well, that's not very powerful at all,
No.
and it pulled it on, so we were close.
Oh, I just don't like the way that feels.
There we go. That's good enough for me.
I see those air bubbles coming along, so it must be moving something.
Air bubbles, that's what.
It's just air bubbles. And when you said you had a syringe.
No, I do have a proper syringe somewhere. I don't know where it's gone.
Well, we're here now.
Yeah. Because the syringe is difficult to use, but it's way easier to use than trying to squeeze it out of the bottle.
Yeah.
Oh, you're nearly there. You
This seems easier than trying to squeeze it out of the bottle too. So.
Slower though.
Definitely slower. I want to see if I...
That you get a car on.
Back.
It's definitely working.
nice. I'll just say leave it like that, to be honest.
It smells rich, actually. That's weird, isn't it? It's like there's no O2 sensor or something. Cool.
Thank you. Thank you. You got the PPF on quite nicely with all the, I don't know what you call it, electrics or whatever.
Yep. Yeah, that's all. That's all.
PPF.
Oh, people. Yeah.
That's probably it, yeah.
Come on.
Yeah,
Yeah, there we go.
that one goes with the,
Nice.
Lots of reactions.
There we go.
Alan, can you grab me like a something like a maybe like an M5 screw or something out of one of my boxes?
M5.
Ah, yeah, that's how this is meant to go together. It's all coming back to me, Callum.
yeah.
Get one too. Snug up a little bit sooner.
Either that or it doesn't work. See what happens.
It works.
I know what. That's going to take some time getting used to.
Yeah.
Spin around the block.
Do I have a... Oh, yeah, I do have a seatbelt.
Yeah. Haven't taken them up for weight reduction yet. Oh, dude, that's so weird.
It should just feel nice and new. That's like...
Yeah, which is why it's so weird. Doesn't feel at all agricultural anymore. It feels very civilized. Bite point is so low down. Like the clutch
Low?
immediately does something. Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
And better yet, it doesn't make a horrible screeching noise whenever the clutch is dipped.
Oh, like, Yeah.
Like
Oh, right, yeah.
because the throttle bearing before was actually munted. This beamer's cool.
Yeah, I love that Beamer. That's awesome, that. So yours feels so soft compared to mine. Mine feels so firm and rigid.
Oh, what, your MX-5?
Yeah, compared to yours. Yeah, that's really nice.
So I have original anti-roll bars,
Uh-huh.
which are skinny-ish.
Yeah.
I just realised I haven't even noticed the fact that the flywheel is a lightened one.
Oh, okay.
The way that it's driving is like,
Just so natural.
yeah, it doesn't feel wrong or like, you know, awkward. Doesn't sound like it's running rougher either.
It sounds
Good
great to me.
sound. Yeah.
I mean, these seats are mega comfy compared to mine.
Yeah, the Mark II original seats are pretty nice.
Yeah. I mean, in neutral, just give it a little like rev.
What?
Yeah. It's yeah.
Yeah. It is a touch more crisp.
I suppose you'd have to take it to an auto solo or two to.
Yeah, get proper feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that coming out the tunnel?
Something has just started smoking up. Ooh.
I'd imagine he's coming from down by the clutch.
Where's the...
Actual performance or efficiency, it just sounds good.